I'm back with a new video. This video I'm going to be showing you my Bakugan case, and I'm going to be unboxing this Hydrus Ultra Jumbo collection card with the course, and it comes with 3 packs. So first I'm going to show you my case. So I got it black. Let's open it. And it comes with a Bakugan. These are the cores for the Bakugan. And then the Bakugan's name is Nilius. That's the Nilius card. And here's Nilius in its ball form. Let me go ahead. This is how Nilius looks when he's out of his ball form. So it's a storage case where you can basically like hold your Bakugan and your Bakugan cards. So let's put my Bakugan cards there, my Baku cores in here, and then I'll put my Bakugan there, and then I can take it for a trip. Now let's go ahead and open this. It comes with the Hydrus Ultra. What is the collection card? So let's start and open it. So guys, this is how it comes inside of the box. Let's open it. Here's the first pack. And then here's the second pack. And then here's the third pack. And then here is our rule book. It tells you how to build your deck, and about the app and everything else, how to play, and know everything. I'm really looking to get Dane Kuzel because I like that Bakugan. So what we have here is, let me just get the cores out. So here's a shield core. It's minus 300B. And then here's another shield core, which is 400 plus B. Now let's get on to the card, the jumbo card. It looks like a Bakugan Elite because of the shine. It's a Hex Hydrus Ultra. It is a Bakugan XL. Now let's get into the packs. First artwork is Nilius. So I think Garganoid or Nilius. So let's open it. We have Ice Wall, Counter Aquas, Inspire, Liquid Strike, Think Again, Hurling Scream, Recycling Boost, Hyper Dragonoid. Ooh! This is our rare, super rare, and it's Hyper Pegatrix. And then our Hex is Arliss Hyper Nilius. If you discard this card, you may play it for free. That was the first pack. And then I'm going to open Dragonoid last. Here's the Hydrus. Let's open it. Or we could get a Bakugan Elite, which is also good. Ooh, the cards fell. Smash. Recycling Light. Cycling Minus. Dark Boost. Ice Slick. Tidal Wave. Light as a Feather. Storm Gather. And then for our super rare we have Hypernilius. Ooh, and for our hex we have a Diamond Nilius. That's within our last pack, which is Dragonoid. So I hope we get something good out of here. Looking for a BE or a hero. That's what I need. Defeating Roar, Unveiled Jump, Clock in Shadow, Curse of Darkest, Extravagant, Laser Claw, ooh, Hyper Fangzord. Guys, you won't believe what I pulled. I pulled Dan Kuzo's father, Bill Kuzo. He's a hero. Stomping Quake. He's a super rare card. Then Choking Darkness. Choose a player to discard a card. This is good. It's our hex. So I'm gonna just put the cards a little in order. So just do that real quick. So guys, looks like we only got one Artless card. And this was a rare, Bill Kuzo. Yeah, he was a rare. And surprisingly, we didn't pull any Ventus of Hex. So these are our two rares for Ventus. Here is our rare for Ventus. Here is our regulars for Ventus. And then here is our Hex for Darkest. Diamond Nilius and Totem Darkness. And then here is all our regular Aquas cards. Got a bunch of Aquas cards in here. And then here is our rare for Darkest, Hyper Dragonoid, Stormger, and Hyper Fangzord. And then for regulars in Darkest, we got Unrivaled Jump, Cycling Madness, Dark Boost, Clock and Shadow, Curse of Darkest. And then we have Hypernilius for our super rare of Darkest. And then we got Light as a Feather for rare, is a flip. And then we got Recycling Light for our regular. And for another C, entirely this card, a flip. And then I was so happy that we got Bill Kuzo. I knew we would get one hero in this, which was that, Bill Kuzo. And then here's the collection card. Shows all the factions on the back, like a regular Bakugan card. And then here's the course again. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you in the next video.